Hi, everybody. It's Dominique, co creator of Houston Notary Academy, and of course, at Signed by Dominique. So, I'll be here just giving you an introduction of one of the courses that is available on our website, HoustonNotaryAcademy.com. And this course is called the Loan Document Preparation and Loan Package Workshop. So, all those loan signing agents are wondering, how do you prepare these packages? What does it look like when you obtain these packages? What are the major keys? We go over everything from receiving your loan documents, notary instructions, printing protocols, the major keys into document preparation itself, preparing for borrower mistakes, notarial mistakes, making those corrections, more so as to the presentation and appearance of your borrower copies, and much more. So, if that's something that intrigues you and it's something you feel like you're missing in your portfolio, make sure you head on down to HoustonNotaryAcademy.com because, of course, we have what you need. And make sure you are also following, liking, share, and subscribing to Houston Notary Academy, to myself at Signed by Dominique, and to our other co creator, Sherelle Evans, which you'll know her as Lovely Hustles. But of course, if this is the course for you, thank you so much for investing in yourself and your notarial career. And we're here for you, as always, at HoustonNotaryAcademy.com. Bye.